If you are regularly installing and uninstalling a lot of programs, then you probably notice that the performance of your computer is no longer as it used to be. While you think you have removed all files related to the said programs, they still leave a trace in the registry. Therefore, cleaning the registry junk from time to time could help improve the overall performance. TweakNow RegCleaner is a lightweight utility designed to scan your computer for obsolete registry keys and clean them without too much hassle. The application comes with a user-friendly interface and you can get started by doing an initial scan of the PC. While the app will provide a full list of obsolete keys, you can organize them via the drop-down menu. In case you are worried that you may delete keys that are essential to Windows functioning, then you can select the Show Save to delete items and proceed to cleaning. Regardless of how you organize the list, the app allows you to go through all items individually and learn more details before deleting. TweakNow RegCleaner is a simple and straightforward tool that provides a convenient way to scan and deal with obsolete registry keys that may be clogging up system resources and hindering its performance. See you next video, and now some music.